Greetings from Florida. Today we're working on a Kia Sorento 2003 to 2009 left front. Okay, you've got plastic, I don't know if I call them screws, two there and two on the other side of the door. They're different sizes, so keep them separate. To get them out, just put a knife behind the plastic screw and lightly take it out with a screwdriver. They're not metal, so they don't react as well as you'd like. You can push them back in. When you're done, you can push them right back in. Got a screw there. Got a screw inside the pull handle. To get that off, tilt it up. Use your flathead screwdriver to kind of tilt it up to get it off. You know, unplug, let's see, 1, 2, 3 wiring harnesses, and the one that goes to the light, that red light at the bottom left, don't try to unplug it. It doesn't unplug. Just unplug the light. Just actually unplug the bulb. I had been here before. I locked the window up for her. I had to order the part. This time you're going to probably get the motor with the regulator. It just might make it easier. It's a steel regulator, so why not? And normally you don't have to take all this off, but I'm doing this just so you can see it better. If you need these, I'll take out the speaker. If you need these, you can find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com, upanddownmainstreet.com. There should be a link right below this video. Two 10mm bolts hold the regulator of the glass. Also, a little WD-40 on the 2 up and down channels on the sides every 2 or 3 months is a good idea. They dry out and cause the glass to grab. A little dab will do you. Lock up the window for a minute with a suction cup. $10mm nuts all around. Unplug the wiring harness to the motor. Oh, what I just showed you there was the faceplate fell off the back of the motor, and that's why it was one of the reasons why it was not working properly. I thought something was between the regulator and the door, but no, it was fine. Just had to get that prong in properly. If you find this helpful, please like this video. That will help other people that are searching for it on YouTube to find it. And again, if you need the part, check my website out, upanddownmainstreet.com. Tighten everything up. I had dropped a nut and I'm trying to find it in the grass. Not in there. There it is. I'm applying some current directly from the battery pack from my cordless screwdriver to the motor to move the regulator up and down. You could plug it in and plug in the switch, but this is just a little bit easier. So there it is. Let's tighten those down. And that's pretty much it. I can't think of anything else to tell you, to give you guidance on, so I'm going to let you finish this by yourself. And thank you for watching. And again, if it was helpful, please like the video. Have a good week.